What's up guys, it's Mubeen Tariq and welcome back to another interesting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. So today, this is the part 2 of Mesh Tool. So today in this video, we are going to make a vector art portrait by using the Mesh Tool. So let's start our tutorial. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification button that you never miss any update from my channel. And please support this channel financially on Patreon. My Patreon link is in the description of this video. So let's start our video. First of all, open Illustrator and create an artboard here, and then simply drag and drop your photo on your artboard. I have this image right over here, and I'm going to make the vector art portrait of this image. So I have put the layers panel right over here. If you can't see the layers panel here, go to Windows, and here you can see layers. Shortcut is F7. Now, before that, I have to lock this so that it does not move. So select this one, go to Object, then select Lock Selection. Now this image has been locked. Now click here to create a new layer here. I have make a detailed video about the layers. If you does not watch that video, then watch that video before. So I have created a new layer here. Now first we have to make an outline by using the pen tool right over here. So let's say I select the pen tool, and let's say I create an outline here like this. And here you can see this, that the shape is filled and we cannot see the color here. So when you press Ctrl key on your keyboard and then click on this I button, then it will switch to only the outline mode. Now there is only stroke. By the way, I have told you guys about the use of the pen tool in our previous video. So before watching this video, watch that video so that you can understand this video well. I select this one. I select our mesh tool. First I create a mesh, add some mesh points here. Like this. Don't add too much mesh points. And yes, before watching this video, make sure you have watched the first part of this video to understand well. Now I have click here and I switch to the outline mode. Now I select our eyedropper tool. First I select the selection tool. Let's say I zoom in here, and by using the direct selection tool, I select this point right over here. Then I press I button on the keyboard, and then I select this color. So what I do, it will fill that specific color on that mesh point. So let's say we fill other colors also. Select this point. So let's say now I have created this shape here. So now I simply click here and now I hide this layer. I again make a new layer here. Now I just draw these things right over here by using the pen tool, and you can also add a circle right over here. So now I select these two shapes right over here and I add some mesh points here. By the way, you can also directly add the black color in this. Like this. Now I hide this one also. I again make a new layer right over here and I make this outer one by using the pen tool. Now select the each and every point one by one and fill colors. First select the direct selection tool by pressing A, then press I button to select the eyedropper tool like this. So now I have filled the colors in this shape also. Now I hide this and I put it right over here. Yes. Now again make a new layer. But with that, make sure you press Ctrl S again and again so that each and every step you do, it will be saved in your computer. Now let's see. By using the pen tool, I draw this. So now let's say I start drawing this, the lower side, by selecting the pen tool. I start drawing from here. Here you can also use this smooth tool to make the corners smooth, like this. By the way, I have told you guys about the smooth tool in detail in my one video. If you want to watch that tutorial, then click on the I button on the top side so that you can watch that video also. I select the mesh tool and I start adding some points here. But it doesn't need to add too much points here. So now let's start adding colors to it. I know it will be too much difficult and it takes too much time. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, then tell me in the comment section of this video. And today you have learned that how you can create awesome vector art portraits by using the Mesh tool in Adobe Illustrator. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification button that you never miss any updates from my channel. Goodbye.